to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to Earth Day. Happy birthday to you. Woo. Wow.
Wow, that was impressive.
Yes, it was. So, you're ready to celebrate Earth Day?
Hey, Storyteller,
Yes.
how old is Earth Day?
Wow, that is a fun fact question. Ooh, I love fun facts. Well, Earth Day has been around since 1970. But Earth, different story. Different, oh yes. It's been around for 4.5 billion years.
Wow, that's a big number.
Ooh, yes it is.
Oh, hey Olivia,
Yes, Green Bear.
how old are you?
Oh, well, I would definitely say that I am younger than the Earth. Oh.
Well, that was vague.
I think that was on purpose. So, shall we? Earth Day, Birthday by Maureen Wright and Violet Kim. By the way, her first illustrated kids book. So you know it's really exciting when you do something for the first time. This is Violet's first time drawing a kids book. So, it's April 22nd. Well, you know, Earth Day sometimes changes around a little bit, I think.
Huh?
Does it? Is it like Thanksgiving? You know, I take it back. I don't know for sure. Ask your parents. Okay, Earth Day, birthday. Hey Maureen, thank you for sending me the book. Thanks to Lions for letting me read it. Shall we? Oh, looks like this monkey mom is cooking up something. I see some eggs and I see some flour here. Ooh. Deep within the jungle green, the biggest lion ever seen stood before his friends and said, "Happy Earth Day!" Roar. Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen swung upon a branch and said, "It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday." Oh, I see. Monkey and Earth Day are sharing a birthday. So it must be always April 22nd. So we got the lion, we got the elephant, we got the alligator. Oh my. We got the giraffe, we got the hippo, we got the snake. Oh my. The elephant shook her wrinkled head and stomped her foot like a bag of lead. She turned to Monkey and loudly said, "It's Earth Day, not your birthday." Let's plant a row of tiny trees, plow a garden for beans and peas, grab a shovel, get a hoe, hurry up, it's time to go. Hey Flamingo, I am loving your gardening boots. Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen twirled his tail and proudly said, "It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday." The bumpy, a crocodile, watched the monkey for a while. He answered with a toothy smile, "It's Earth Day, not your birthday." I decided the crocodile was British. Ooh, and the zebra, "Make the world a prettier place." They're so mellow. What are they doing? Are they drawing something? Oh, they're making signs. Cool. Let's pick up papers off the ground. There's lots of litter. Look around. Collect the garbage that you see. Stick it in a bag for me. Oh, so they're cleaning up for Earth Day. Mother Nature loves that, to be clean and green and spiffy and shiny. I mean, that's how you want to look, clean and green. Do you want to look green on your birthday? Sure, why not? And spiffy and shiny. Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen ate a banana and proudly said, "It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday." The tall giraffe complained, "Oh dear, I see we have a problem here. Let me make this very clear. It's Earth Day, not your birthday." I decided that this is a relative of Gilles the giraffe. Reuse and recycle. Ooh, another popular Earth Day thing to do. And well, year round too, because, well, it's our planet. We'll do our part to clean the land. Recycle bottles, glasses, cans. Come on, my friends, I lead the way. Let's recycle every day. Ah, yes. Look, see, we've split the cans and then the glass bottles and then the paper and cardboard. And then we have plastics over here. Well done, animals. Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen rubbed his belly and proudly said, "It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday." Hippo opened his mouth up wide. On the muddy riverside, he turned to Monkey and loudly cried, "It's Earth Day, not your birthday. Let's take our clothes back to the store. Buy 3 pineapples, maybe more. Or 4. We'll use our cloth bags every time to shop for coconuts and limes." Oh, and a helpful fun fact here from the toucan. Use cloth bags instead of plastic. That way, less goes into those trash cans and those places where we send off the trash. And that plastic never goes away. But the cloth, that's good because it's reusable. Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen shimmied up a tree and said,
"It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday."
Snakes slithered through the leaves up high as the monkey scampered by. She raised her head and said, "Oh my,
It's Earth Day, not your birthday."
Now, I'm thinking that the animal should realize that somebody's birthday might fall on Earth Day. I mean, why tell him it's not his birthday? It's clearly his birthday.
Let's go start a compost bin. Toss our garbage rotten in. Watch me and I'll show you how. We'll get started on it now.
And let's see what's happening here. Compost helps a garden grow. So we're taking all that rotten garbage and putting it in there, and then it's going to be compost, and then we put it in the garden, and then it's recycling, and then it makes the earth better, and the monkey's like, "It's still my birthday, yo." Deep within the jungle green, the silliest monkey ever seen jumped around and proudly said, "It's not Earth Day, it's my birthday," he whispered in the lion's ear. "Don't you know my birthday's here?" Lion roared back, "Give me a break! I've heard all that I can take. No matter what we do or say, you think it is your special day." Uh-oh. I see a lot of harumphy faces. Harumph, 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 harumph. Double harumph. "But it is," said Monkey. "Can't you see? Here's my mom with a cake for me." The lion gasped, "I made a mistake. Please share your yummy birthday cake." Oh, I see. Now that there's cake involved, everybody is like, "Oh, cool, it's your birthday." Well, now we know what works in the jungle. Laws of the jungle are cake first. "Of course," said Monkey with a shout. "But first I'll blow these candles out." Then all the animals yelled, "Hooray! It's Monkey's birthday and it's Earth Day." Oh, man, you thought that it might be rough if your birthday was on Christmas Day. In the jungle, it's really rough when your birthday is also Earth Day. So, because it's Earth Day, and Earth is going to be 4.5 billion years old and another year, I got a candle. Got a candle right here. See that? Yes, Green Bear. See that right there?
Yeah, but it's a 7.
I know, but I couldn't find the candle that said 4.5 billion. You know, those are really hard to find.
Good point. Okay, let's do this.
All right, ready? We're going to sing Happy Earth Day, Happy Birthday to the Earth. Happy Earth Day? Let's sing Happy Earth Day while I melt candle all over. Don't melt candle on your book. Your mom will get really upset. Here we go. Happy birthday to the earth.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy Earth Day to the earth.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, happy Earth Day.
Hey.
Nice.
Thanks. Happy looking, not a day over 3 billion.
And counting. See you next time, kid, on KidTime StoryTime,
The official channel of planet Earth.